Welcome. This video I'll show you how to round corners here in Penpot. Okay, so first option we have here objects. Okay, let's go ahead and select a rectangle right here and draw. And then once that's done, as you can see here, the edit panel or the properties section is now available. If not, just double click on it and it will be available. Now, if you want the radius to be uniform, okay, you can just go ahead and start typing right here. Maybe 100. Once done, just tap away and it's now rounded. Okay. If you want to do it in a specific section, maybe this one, just click on this option right here, show independent radius. Okay. Maybe at the bottom you have 200 here as well, like so. As you can see, it's different. 100, 200, 100, 200. Now you can do the same for images. Okay. For example, this one right here, I'm going to click on it. Now radius as well. I'm going to go ahead and type down 100. There you go. As easy as that, we now have rounded corners in our Penpot canvas. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.